Your smartphone is more than just a device for chatting or scrolling through social media. It can actually be your ticket to earn an extra income without leaving your house or even leaving your couch. Imagine making money simply by doing things like watching videos, completing surveys, or even paying your rent. That said, in this video, we'll be diving into 11 free apps that will allow you to earn cash all from your phone. And the good news is that several of them are available worldwide. This is Boost Money channel. If you want to stay updated on new online money making methods, subscribe to this channel and hit that bell to get notified whenever new videos are uploaded. Now let's jump into these apps. The first one is somewhat popular but not really popular, if you know what I mean. It's Pinata AI, and this is where you can turn your rent payments into rewards. Believe it or not, Pinata AI actually makes rent more rewarding by transforming your rent payments into points, and with these points you'll be able to redeem cashbacks, gift cards, and other rewards. For example, if your rent is $1,000 a month, you can actually earn about $10 in rewards monthly, and that quickly adds up to $120 in a year. So it's not a lot of money, but it can definitely pay a bill or cover something at the end of the year or even every single month. They actually pay using cashbacks, gift cards, and reward points that you can redeem for various offers. And in terms of legitimacy, they are definitely considered to be one of the most legitimate entities out there that do this, but they are still relatively new with a focus specifically on rent rewards. Next on our list is cashstars.com, and this is where you can earn money by engaging with actual content. With Cashstars, you can earn money for watching videos, referring others, browsing, retweeting, writing posts, promoting others, and even gaming. The platform offers points for every task, which can convert into cash, and their payment method is PayPal or via gift card. Let's say, for an example, you spend about 30 minutes a day watching videos and you earn about $5 daily. Again, it's not life-changing money, but that equates to about $150 a month. Now, are there videos constantly on these platforms for you to watch, or are there tasks constantly available for you to complete? No. So you have to go in with that in mind. From a legitimacy perspective, it's often listed as legitimate, but this actually varies based on different user experiences. What I recommend is that you use it cautiously and be mindful that earning opportunities like this one may not be able to give you consistent and high earnings. Next on the list is EasyBox app, and this is where you actually get paid to play fun tasks. EasyBox gamifies everyday tasks, making earning feel like playing. You can actually complete fun activities like quizzes or even challenges, and you're going to get paid for your time. For example, you can earn about 50 cents per game, and if you have the ability to do 10 games a day, that's about $5 daily. So that will accumulate to about $150 per month. Can $150 per month help with a big bill? It can definitely help or take care of one or two bills. The payment method is PayPal and gift cards, and from a legitimacy perspective, it's considered generally legitimate. Although there are mixed reviews when you look it up online, but from a recommendation perspective, I would say it's great for earning small amounts, so don't expect to earn a lot. Next on the list is Online Business Academy. Here, you can sell your digital products. Now, this one has unlimited potential to earn because it depends on what you're selling and what your profitability is. This is perfect for creators, and here you can sell things like an ebook, a course, a digital product without the hassle of setting up a website. I mentioned it because it's very unpopular, but I find it to be extremely effective. From a legitimacy perspective, this platform is actually very reliable for selling digital products. If you have a good product and you have a marketing strategy, what I recommend you do is focus on the product quality and use this platform to scale your online business. They pay via PayPal, Stripe, and they'll even transfer money to your bank account. Now next on the list is Be My Eye, and this is where you can earn with on-the-go tasks. Be My Eye actually turns everyday errands into money-making opportunities. You can complete simple tasks by checking product displays in an actual store. Let's do the math. Say you make $10 per task and you complete 2 tasks in a week. That will earn you an extra $80 by the end of the month. And obviously there are limitations to where you can do this one successfully, because some of them requires you to physically go to a particular location. But for those who have the ability to sign up on this platform, it's actually proven to be very reputable and it's highly rated and used widely throughout Europe. They pay via PayPal and bank transfers. Next on the list is multiples, and with multiples you can actually earn by completing polls, surveys and various tasks. It's very easy for you to earn money in your downtime. For example, you can spend 20 minutes filling out surveys that pay you about $2 a day. It's not a good use of your time if you ask me, but what if you're in commute? What if you're sitting in traffic, standing in a queue? That works out to about $60 per month. Again, for me, it can take care of a bill or two. And they pay via PayPal and gift cards. There are mixed reviews out there as it pertains to its legitimacy, but most of those reviews are because the payments are slow. Again, this one is best for supplemental income. It cannot be a main source of earnings. Next is YouGov. This is where you can participate in surveys related to politics, brand and current events, and actually earn points that you can redeem and get cash or gift certificates. Let's say you participate and complete 10 surveys in a month, and the surveys are valued at about $1.50 per survey. That's about $15 monthly. While voicing your opinion, this one pays very little. So if $15 can change your life depending on where you live, assuming you have access to it, then you can give it a try. But otherwise, there are others on this list that will pay more. YouGov pay via PayPal, gift cards and prepaid cards, and it's actually highly reputable with very consistent payouts, and it's a well-established platform that has a lot of positive ratings online. Next on the list is Street Bees, and they reward you for sharing your everyday experiences through short surveys and tasks. Let me give you a scenario. You can earn $3 per task by sharing stories about your favorite snacks or the activities that you enjoyed on the weekend. If you can complete 15 tasks in a month at $3, you make about $45, and they pay via PayPal. They are also considered to be very legitimate, and it's widely used across the globe, and they pay reliably for the simple task that you are completing. Next on the list is Share Party, and Share Party turns surveys into a fun social experience where you can earn extra cash. You can spend about 10 minutes a day to earn about $1. Not a lot of money for your time, but 10 minutes. You may be stuck in traffic, okay? It's $1, but you have to decide if it's worth it. That accumulates to about $30 per month. They pay via PayPal and also via gift cards. And from a legitimacy perspective, There are mixed reviews out there, but most of them would suggest that it works best for users who are looking for casual surveys to make a few extra dollars. Definitely not the kind of money that you can possibly use to cover a bill unless you accumulate it over a month. Next is SurveyPop. SurveyPop offers various activities including gaming, watching videos, and online searches. For example, if you watch a video for about 20 minutes, you may earn about $1, which could total about $30 monthly. While it may not solve all your problems, it can be helpful for someone. Payments are made through PayPal and gift cards, and they are considered a reliable, casual earner with quick payments and easy tasks, but they just don't pay a lot. The next is Toluca, and this is a platform that will pay you for completing basic online tasks like labeling images or answering questions. If you spend an hour daily on task and earn about $3 per day, that totals about $90 a month. They pay through PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, and bank transfers. From a legitimacy perspective, they are pretty legitimate because they are operated by a major tech company called Yandex that offers consistent payments across the globe. You'll have to explore these platforms on your own to determine if they're a good fit for you. Check platforms like Trustpilot or the reviews on your Google Play or App Store to see user experiences. Before trying any of these, make sure you read the terms of service to understand how they collect data and how you'll get paid. Start small with a few tasks and then build up based on your experiences and earnings. What do you think? Which of these apps will you try first? Comment down below, and as always, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.